Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to check events on the Matchmasters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons: the profile, the shop, the friends, the settings, and the others. But new, if you want to check the upcoming events, just go to the lower bar and you can find the book with the stars icon next to the home, and here you can check your events. Actually, I don't have any, but you can check the private events if you enter a game code. I don't have any later, but if you have, just enter, type it, and click to the join button, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.